Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today I'm going to be presenting my article, which is investigate between perceived usefulness and intention to use IHAD among elderlies in local communities. First of all, my name is Aiman Daniel Hamdan, and there is my lecturer Nohanina, Prof. Nohanina from FBAS, Faculty of Business, Accounting and Social Science from University Polytech Mara. So for the abstract, this study delved into the significance of e-health technology adoption among elderlies in Lembah Jaya, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. We are doing the research at the Lembah Jaya. So specifically focusing on my IV, independent variable, which is perceived usefulness toward using these digital health tools. Using the technology acceptor model, time theory, which highlights perceived usefulness as a pivotal factor influencing technology acceptance. So you guys can see here keyword perceived of usefulness, e-health technology. So next we move to the introduction about perceived usefulness of e-health technology is critical factor in acceptance and adoption of such technology by elderly individual as time theory state. E-health, which encompasses the use of electronic means to deliver healthcare service, information and support, can offer numerous benefit to elderly population, such as improved access to healthcare resource, remote monitoring of chronic condition and telemedicine consultation. So 2.0 is problem statement. Problem statement is why there are still among analysts who do not know how to use that kind of technology. So because the technology can we can get more benefit while using this technology, but why there are still have that people among elderlies who do not know how to use. And then we move to the 3.0 LR and literature review. 3.1, which is my IV, independent variable, perceived usefulness. Perceived usefulness defined as the assessment made by an individual that using specific technologies which will lead to an enhancement in their performance. The technology acceptor model, which is time theory, accept that one of the critical factor shaping an individual inclination to embrace technology is their perception of its usefulness. So 3.2 is dependent variable, which is intention to use e-health. And 3.3 is the theory that we use, which is technology acceptor model as the theory. So the theory acceptor model, time theory, is a popular theory that could be relevant to this study. And 4.0 research framework, as you guys can see here, there is a IV here and DB. My independent variable is perceived usefulness and dependent variable intention to use e-health. So the figure 1 shows operational framework showing independent variable and dependent variable of this research. The independent variable is perceived usefulness, meanwhile the dependent variable is intention to use e-health. And 5.0 is methodology, consists research design, target population, sample size, data collection, instrument, questionnaire, and the last one is data analysis. So we conduct the research. We have 130 respondents who involved in this survey, and we conduct via Google Form and share with the Lembah Jaya community through the WhatsApp. So the questionnaire consists of 8 parts, which is part A, demographic, part B, first IV, which is perceived usefulness, part C, ease of use. Part D, technology anxiety. Part E, social support. Part F is facilitating condition. And finally, part G is DV, behavioral intention. So we move to the 6.0, finding and discussion. So this is our part A, which is demographic part. The question in part A consists gender, age, occupation, education level, race, and the last one is experience using e-help. We our respondent is 130, so male 70 male and 57 female who answer the survey, and the total is 130. Also same goes to age, occupation, education level, race, experience using e-help. So this is a frequency percentage. And then we move to the reliability 7.0. So I got the combat alpha is 0.868, which means it's a good value because it's above 0.5. And then 0.1 is correlation coefficient. And this is a figure 3 shows correlation for persist usefulness. The research was to determine the persist usefulness among adolescents towards intention to use e-help. The positive relation between persist usefulness and intention to use e-help was supported by a highly positive correlation coefficient, which is 0.760, with both significant values at 0.001. Okay, next we move. The last part is conclusion. For the conclusion, there is a significant relationship between persist usefulness and intention to use e-help in Lembah Jaya, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. The hypothesis test was also discussed to determine whether the hypothesis was accepted or rejected. And then this is the reference. Okay, so this is the last part. That's all from me. Thank you.